Kesavadasapuram, we bring you a comprehensive allergy profile, designed to test all your major allergies in one single package. Linah Allergy Profile. Vegetarian allergens, non-vegetarian allergens and inhalant allergen. With just one test, you can uncover the exact cause of your symptoms, whether it's the food you eat, the environment around you, or inhaled particles. The results help your doctor design a personalized diet plan and the right treatment, so you can live more comfortably and confidently. Don't let allergies hold you back from enjoying life. Choose the Linah Allergy Profile today. Round push pin available at Linah Lab Scans, Kesavadasapuram, Tiruvananthapuram. Phone call or WhatsApp us at 9,447,502,842 or 9,447,598,710. Linah Lab Scans, accurate results. Better